Hey, good morning, guys. And I have shorted Bank Nifty from 29,412, approximately somewhere here. Somewhere here. My stop loss would be somewhere around 530, and my target should be easily 29,100 or 50. So I'll keep you posted on the same thing. Right now I've taken a position, if you guys can see. Most of you people say that you cannot see, so let me just magnify it for you guys. So yes, so my position is 29,412 is my average price, and quantity is 4112. Hey guys, very short trade, and a decent amount of profit of 44,000. Exiting here.
Order filled.
I closed my positions, guys. If you could see, my profits are 42,865 rupees. Not even 10 minutes trade, making a decent profit with 10 lots. I'll show you my execution. So let me just magnify my profits for you. Yes, you could see here. So 42,865 is my profit, and I'll show you my executions again. All right. So from where did I short my position? I shorted my position from 29,412 and exiting at 29,241. Quite a decent profit, I guess, and 250 quantities, if you could see, 250 quantities. I guess the trade was good. Now there's a small pullback. It's good that I exited my position. Not even 10 minutes, guys, but made a decent profit. So hope to see if there is any further updates. Mostly I will not trade today because I'm running with a busy schedule. So, and also I'm not being very regular with my tradings. I am regular with my tradings, but I was not able to cope up with the recordings actually. So if you could see, last week was a very good week for me. If I could show you my trade performance. So there are some losses, total profits of, yes, if you could see here, from the last week, that is 16th of this one. That means last Monday. We made a total, I am in a total profit of 25,64,000, where I hedged the position basically, so that is why there are some gross losses as well. And guess you could see this report here from 16 to 23 as in today. So these are my profits. If you want to see, just 23 to 23. So yes, 42,865 is my profit today. And from last week, as you guys would ask me, there's a report. Obviously there'll be losses. This is a market. You cannot always expect green, but what it matters is how you trade, and at the end of the day you're ending up in green. So that is what it is. If you would like me to zoom this here, you could see the complete report and profit factor, max drawdown, and how I traded. Total gross profit, I have booked somewhere around 43 lakhs of profit, in which 25 lakh was my total profit and 17 lakh was this one, total net profit. So total gross loss is this much, gross profit is this much, I'm sorry. So 43 lakh minus 17, this is the total profits I got. Short trades where the Bank Nifty fell, I made a huge money in the Bank Nifty. So I guess you also have seen my report. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will obviously motivate me to put videos on the daily basis. Thank you so much, guys, and please do follow.